Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share one of my favorite hair mask and hair oil from the brand Fytika. Let me show you the box. 1 second. This is how the box looks like. I really love the packaging. Packaging is very sturdy. It is not like cheap quality packaging. Packaging is really nice, and I just love the cardboard box as well, and green and golden and grey texture all around. I love the packaging so much. So this is how the outer box looks like, and you will get 3 products in this range, and this is the Fytika Lush Looks. Okay, so this is the hair mask, and this is the hair oil, and this is the tablets. If these medicines are made up of brahmi, aloe vera, amla, and shankha pushpi and bhringraj. So this is how the box and container looks like. It's very sturdy, and यहाँ पे आपको सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. And it costs you about ₹400. So इसमें आपको like if you are into medicine, just consult a doctor and you can definitely check this one. अगर आपको inner से ज़्यादा कोई weakness है तो उसको heal करने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा helpful है. Okay, now let's talk about the hair oil. I'm sorry, my lights are reflecting on the mirror because I just can't see because I'm a chashmish. So please ignore that. Okay, so this is how the bottle looks like. I love the packaging. Okay, and even the bottle is luxe and sturdy. It is good for travel plan. Even the cap is very sturdy. You can definitely use it when you are traveling. If you are into hair oil, अगर आपको ज़्यादा hair oil चाहिए अपने face पे भर के all that Ayurvedic ingredients, you can definitely check this out because Fytika is all about Ayurvedic. It is non-toxic, chemicals free, SLS free, all that parabens free, cruelty free brand. Okay, so you can definitely check this one. इसमें आपको मिल जाता है 100 ml और मैंने इसे काफ़ी बार यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ लाइक वेरी ज़्यादा हैवी ऑयल नहीं लगता आपके हेयर्स पे. लाइक इट लुक्स लाइक ऑयल बट इट डजंट फील लाइक ऑयल. ठीक है, ये इतनी अच्छे से आपकी हेयर स्कैल्प पे मर्ज हो जाता है, इतनी अच्छे से आपकी हेयर स्कैल्प पे ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. एंड आई जस्ट लव द फैक्ट दैट इट इज़ सो गॉर्जियस अबाउट दैट. And I just love this fact so much that it just absorbs into my skin, and deeply condition my hair, which I loved it. So that is why I highly recommend this one. If you are into something these kinds of oil, you can definitely check this one because it is amazing, guys. Amazing. I love this so much, and I just keep it about 1 to 2 hours. You can definitely keep it about 30 minutes or more than that, but I love to keep my oils and mask about 2 hours or 1 hour because obviously I have very long hair just because of having these good range of oils with me, good range of mask with me. I love that mask also, and I love this mask. Sorry, I just love this hair oil as well. So definitely recommend it. Let me and let me tell you the ingredients. Okay, 9 kind of best आयुर्वेदिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपको इसमें मिल जाते हैं. लेट मी टेल यू. ओके, सो इसमें आपको मिल जाता है आंवला, नीलपत्र, ब्रह्मी, भृंगराज, वॉलनट, ऑलिव, सनफ्लावर, सस्मे एंड जाता मनसी. So these all are the ingredients are included, and these all are the ingredients highly needed in our daily life. And I feel कि इसमें जो ingredients डाले गए हैं that is really effective, and इसमें जो ingredients डाले गए हैं those are really effective for my hair, and these ingredients always work on my hair. So definitely I have used it. That is why I'm just telling you guys, you have to try this one if you are into ingredients like these. Also if you are into ingredient like these, you can definitely check this one. Now let's talk about this hair mask. So it is a very powdery kind of consistency. It is not like hair gel consistency or whipped kind of consistency. It is not gel like consistency. It is like powder kind of consistency, which is very rare in mask form. But the thing is it does contain bhringraj and amla. That is why amla does contain that powdery form. So that is why I love this hair mask. It just made my hair so soft, and my edges are like very rough and silky. I have used it like twice or thrice of time, and I always apply this hair mask on my edges, on my not on my roots. I always apply on my edges like here, and you can definitely see I feel very soft and smooth. So I I love this hair mask so much because oil does not give me that brilliant effect on my downwards hair, so that is why I always used to have mask on my hair. So that is why I recommend this one personally as well, and highly recommend it. And loving this so far so good. I'm loving it so good because it is amazing. So I'm loving this mask on my lower edges as well. If you have dry edges, if you have dry lower scalp, not lower scalp, dry edges here, and you can definitely check this one because it is gorgeous, you guys. It is really gorgeous. So definitely recommend this one. Definitely highly impressed with this hair mask. Well, it just made my hair so soft, so silky smooth. And if you are not a conditioner person, you can definitely also check out this one. Okay, so yeah, let me show you the consistency as well. You can definitely see it is powdery, and let me show you. Definitely see that it is powdery. See, so that is why I'm loving this hair mask so far so good. Even the packaging is really sturdy, and yeah. So this is the Fytika Lush Looks hair mask, and it costs about rupees 350, which is great and really. So इसमें आपको मिल जाता है 10 ग्राम ऑफ मास्क, ठीक है. And this is the Brahmi, और इसमें and it also includes Brahmi, fenugreek and neem and amla. So these 4 ingredients always work on my hair. They just feel my hair so soft, so smooth, silky, and you know, luxe. Sorry, I feel my hair like, and these ingredients work on me. I hope ये आपके ऊपर भी work करेंगे. So definitely recommend this one. I just love the Fytika range. So far so good. If you are into some hair mask like this, if you are into hair oil like this, you can definitely check this one, and you will get the demo right here because I have used it, and these all are the after results, and I'm loving it. You can definitely see shine on my hair, and my hair are very manageable, softer, and smooth, silky, and loving it. So far so good. I'm loving my hair. You can definitely see that shine going on. This is just because of this mask, and this just because of that oil I'm using currently. Yeah, loving it. So this is my current hair care routine. You can definitely see packaging and everything is really amazing. You can definitely just keep it like, you know, as a background purpose. I'm thinking to do something different about my background, and yeah, I'm loving it. So far so good. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and definitely watch my another videos because I have filmed a lot of skincare videos, a lot of hair mask videos, a lot of you know, DIYs. Not DIYs. Okay, just leave that. I have filmed my makeup tutorials. A lot of makeup tutorials on my channel are on. So you can definitely. And I have uploaded a lot of makeup tutorials. Please kindly just go and check out, and definitely check out my playlist because आपको सभी videos मेरी playlist में मिल जाए. You can definitely check it out. Why I'm shaking here, and they just stay on place, right? So yeah, that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And yeah, then take care. Bye.